Did you know that 60% of global digital transformation spends have gone into drain without yielding the results that they should have given? My name is Neil and I'm going to be your instructor for this course on successfully running digital business transformation projects. Whether you call it digital transformation or digital business transformation, the purpose of any transformation is to bring about disproportionate value for business, for customers, for employees, for partners, and for the society at large. To that means any digital transformation project can help you to alter your business model. It can help you to horizontally or vertically expand your business. It can give you access to new markets. It can help you to expand your customer experience or enhance your customer experience. It can help you to restructure cost. It can change your target operating model, or it can also help you in enhancing quality, risk, or the service that you provide to your customers. So, digital transformation is not just about going digital. Organizations undergoing digital transformation benefit from hyper awareness, from ability to take decisions faster, and of course, speed of execution. All this comes in because of not just technology, but because your strategy and your implementation of digital transformation has to be seamless. It has to be successful. A successful digital transformation is fully aligned to the business strategy. It leverages the organization culture, and it also has a strong transformation management mechanism that includes better planning, prioritizing. It also includes needs assessment. It includes design. It includes rapid prototyping and a strong change management plan. So, it is not always about technology. Whether it is 5G, IoT, analytics, AI, cloud, etc., all of them are core capabilities of digital transformation, but they are only enablers. So talking about the course, the purpose of this course is not to hype you up with technological terms, but focus more on the transformation management program. Help you with tools, help you with methods and techniques which can help you to manage your digital transformation project in a seamless manner. Once you adopt this framework, you will be able to successfully plan, execute, and sustain any digital transformation in your organization. In order to keep it simple, I've included small business case studies. Thereby, you don't lose sight of the objective of the course, learn the essential elements which are important for you to run a transformation project, and not get dissuaded by large-scale success stories of digital transformation. While what you learn will be equally applicable for any large-scale transformation projects, remember that digital transformation is not a sprint. It is a marathon. You have to run several transformation projects or initiatives in your organization, which are all aligned to your transformation vision, thereby accomplishing a large-scale digital transformation at the end. So anyone who is actively involved in digital transformation in your organization, whether you're from the IT side or from the business side, whether you're an implementer, a champion, or an active participant, I think this course will give you useful tips and methods which you can adopt in your organization to increase the success rate of digital business transformation projects. Down below, I have included in the resource a list of tools, methods, and framework that I would be extensively talking about in this course. Further, to keep this very simple, I have not included anything relating to technologies because you might be the best expert, you might have domain expertise, and so I would allow you to work on the technologies, and this course will help you to talk more about the framework of how to run a digital transformation project, how to manage a change successfully in the organization, and how to bring about ground change or ground level reality which the vision of the organization focuses on. So with that note, I'm going to sign off. Looking forward to interacting with you in this course. Thank you.